Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Etsy to sell freelance crafts, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a unique and memorable Etsy account. Choose a name that reflects your brand and craft style. Fill out your profile with a clear and engaging bio. Include your story and what inspires your crafts. Next, set up your shop by selecting Open Your Etsy Shop. Choose your shop language, country, and currency. Then, decide if you want to sell in digital or physical products. Upload your profile picture and shop banner to enhance your visual identity. Now, you can start listing your crafts. Select Add a listing and upload high-quality images of your products. Write clear, engaging titles that include relevant keywords. In the description, detail your product's features and benefits. Set competitive pricing by researching similar items on Etsy. Decide on your shipping options and fees. Consider offering free shipping to attract more buyers. Once your products are listed, promote your shop on social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your crafts. Engage with your audience by sharing behind-the-scenes content. Join Etsy teams or groups to connect with other sellers and gain tips. Update your shop regularly with new listings or seasonal items. Optimize your listings for Etsy search by using relevant tags. Respond promptly to customer inquiries to build trust and credibility. Encourage reviews from satisfied customers to enhance your shop's reputation. Periodically review your shop's performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay informed about trends in the crafting community to keep your offerings fresh. By following these steps, you can effectively use Etsy to sell your freelance crafts. With dedication and creativity, your shop can flourish on this vibrant platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.